guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So for this Valentine's Day, I have created this really soft lilac eyes and I have gone in with a really vibrant lip color. So if you guys like this look and if you want to know how to achieve it, then please continue watching. So I'm going to start off by spraying Max Fix Plus in the variant Rose, and then I'm going to go in with Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. It's a highlighting primer in the shade Golden Tint. It's a perfect dupe of MAC's Strobe Cream and it is very moisturizing as well. For foundation, I am mixing two foundations today, e.l.f.'s Flawless Satin Foundation and Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation. Guys, for the shade, please check the description box. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I will be just dabbing off excess product so our foundation looks more natural and seamless. For concealer, I will be first applying Urban Decay's Naked Skin Concealer. It is such a weightless concealer, guys. I absolutely love the texture and it gives really good coverage. And then I will be going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is in the shade Medium to Ginger. Again, I love this concealer. It gives very good coverage. It has a really nice, rich, creamy consistency. And then again, I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender for that seamless finish. For my blush, I will be applying SHEGLAM's Color Bloom Liquid Blush in the shade Rose Ritual. You guys can see it is such a pigmented blush, but it blends beautifully and looks absolutely gorgeous. And this is one shade that will work for all skin tones. For highlighter today, I am going in with Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette and taking this cream highlighter called FIJI and applying it on my cheekbones, and then I will be also applying it on the bridge of my nose. And now I'm going to set my under eye concealer with Anastasia's Loose Setting Powder. And now again, I will be going in with Huda Beauty's palette and applying this blush called Zanzibar on the apples of my cheeks. And again, spraying some of that Fix Plus. For eye makeup today, I am using my Huda Beauty's Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. And I went in with this matte shadow. It's called Request Line and blend it all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with the other matte and metal melted shadows and I'm using this shade called Bubble Bath. I just wanted to tone down that lilac color. Now I will be applying Metal Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Slow Jams. I'm using my MAC 242 brush to apply this shadow. You can see it is such a pretty shadow, guys. It looks absolutely stunning. Now for bottom lash line, I'm going to follow the same thing, apply Request Line and then blend it. And then I will be going in with Slow Jams and doing the same thing. Now with that leftover product on the brush, I will be applying it on my inner corner. So guys, this is Nykaa's Glamorize Kohl in the shade Bronze Beam. So I am applying it on my lower as well as on my upper waterline. And then I'm going to apply some of the same kohl on my upper lash line as well, and then I'm going to smudge it. Applying a very light coat of L'Oreal's Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. And then I'm going to go in with Euro Paris lashes in number 53. For lip color today, I am going in with Faces Canada No Transfer Matte Lipstick in the shade Tea Spiller. You can see it is such a bright and bold lip color. And then I'm going to again spray my MAC Fix Plus. So this is the completed look, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.